Mamelodi Sundowns head coach Manqoba Mngqithi has shed light on why star player and captain Zwane has not been a regular starter in the current season. Zwane, a pivotal figure for the reigning champions, made a significant impact off the bench in Sundowns' 2-1 victory over SuperSport United in the Zwane derby at Loftus Versfeld Stadium on Tuesday. Coming on as a substitute, Zwane played a crucial role in the match, assisting Ikram Rainer's opening goal before Ribeiro Costa sealed the win with the second-half strike. Mngqithi addressed the decision to manage Zwane's game time, especially in light of Sundowns' congested fixture list, which includes participation in 6 major competitions: the Betway Premiership, CAF Champions League, Carling Knockout. Speaking at the post-match press conference, Mngqithi was asked whether there was a specific reason for Zwane's limited starts this season, and said, "I don't think there's a problem. Do you think there's a problem? We have to prioritize our most important players. We've got 6 competitions to play in, and we need to ensure we don't burn out Zwane early in the season. If we play for him 90 minutes every match, how long can he last?" Mngqithi was clear that the decision was a strategic one to keep Zwane fresh and avoid fatigue over the course of demanding season. He emphasized that Zwane is fully aware of the situation and understands the need to manage his fitness in light of the team's heavy schedule. Zwane's influence, even as substitute, remains unquestionable. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.